Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a yummy recipe and a cook and clean with me. I am going to be sharing this yummy recipe. I'm just so excited to talk about the recipe, you guys, because it's just that good, you know? So I hope that you guys enjoy it and you do try it because I highly recommend it. I am also super excited to announce that today's video is a collab with one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is Julia Wilburn. She is such a sweet person. She's a stay-at-home mom like me. She has two beautiful children, and I really think that you'll enjoy her channel. She does cook and clean with me, vlogs, and more. So when you're done with my video, I would really appreciate it if you go check her video out, show her some love, and let her know that I sent you. Also, if you're coming from Julia's channel, hello, my name is Nicole. I'm a mother of 4 with one on the way. I hope that you guys enjoy and consider subscribing. So I feel like this pregnant mama has talked enough. I'm running out of breath. So let's just jump right into the video. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye. Okay guys, so today's recipe I'm going to be sharing gnocchis in a creamy mushroom and onion sauce. It is so good. I hope that you guys enjoy it. So first things first, I am going to set my timer on my oven for 425, and then I'm going to heat up some olive oil. I'm going to add some onions, let them saute for a minute or two. Then I'm going to add some mushrooms. And I'm going to also let them do the same thing for a couple minutes. Just let them sit. And then you want to add some salt and pepper. And then once that's sit for a little bit, you're going to add some fresh garlic or minced garlic, whichever you prefer. Then when that's done, I'm going to set that to the side. And I'm going to add some butter, about 3 or 4 tablespoons. And I'm going to let that melt completely. Then I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of flour, and I'm going to whisk that up until I get all the chunks out. Now I'm going to add 1.5 to 2 cups chicken broth. Then usually I use heavy whipping cream, but today I didn't have any, so I'm just going to use 2 cups of milk. I'm going to season that with some salt and pepper. Now I'm going to let that boil up a little bit on medium heat, and I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning, paprika, and garlic salt. Now I'm going to add my mushroom and onion and garlic back in. And then I'm going to add in some chicken. Now you can make your own chicken, baked chicken, or you can get a rotisserie chicken like me because I was lazy. And then I'm going to add my gnocchis in. They're not cooked. And then I'm going to add some cheese. Now I'm going to add some spinach. Let that cook for a couple minutes. Then I'm going to add it all to a baking dish. And I'm going to put it in the oven on 425 for about 20 minutes. And here I am just adding a little more cheese. And that's it, you guys. It is so good. I highly recommend this. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Just look at it. It just looks so yummy and creamy. And then I'm going to serve salad and bread with it.
it's the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake, it's the way that you left me.
Alright, you guys, so I started to do the dishes after I got done eating, and I just did not feel good. I was so tired. So you are going to see me in 2 different outfits. It did take me 2 days to do this, so don't mind the outfit change, guys. Also, you're probably going to be seeing me in similar outfits throughout my videos because this pregnant mama is the type of person that just doesn't want to buy clothes. I'd rather just squeeze my fat butt into the clothes that I already have because I have like 8 weeks left and I don't feel like spending money on maternity clothes. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but I'm just like, why am I going to waste my money for 8 weeks just to wear something for that amount of, for a short amount of time? I am very motivated to try to lose all this baby weight as soon as I have this baby. So hopefully I don't need to buy bigger clothes, you guys. But yeah. Okay, I'm done rambling.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? first saw me. Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me too? Me too. Me
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone. But I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn and you're on your own. When I think about the way, when I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright.
Okay, so throughout this video, you are going to see me use paper towels most of the time because your girl is slacking on laundry, and I like to put all my cleaning rags together, and usually that's last on my laundry list. So yeah, I'm slacking on cleaning them. So you're gonna see me use paper towels. Normally I don't do this.
It's kinda and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer.